Do you want to know how you can change your display name in Line? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. Let's go ahead and dive straight into the video. Open Line Messenger app on your phone. After you open it, you should go to Settings. So click on Home and click on the gear icon on the top right hand side. After that, click on Profile. As soon as you click on Profile, you can see the display name. Go ahead and tap on the display name and remove the old display name if you want to remove it. Then, what you need to do is write down a new name for yourself. After you write down your new name, you can see the save icon. So go ahead and write down your name and click on Save afterwards. As soon as you click on Save, you can see that your display name will be changed and others will also see this name. So it's quite easy and helpful to change your name. Go ahead and open the Line Messenger, go to Home, click on the gear icon on the top right hand side and go to Profile. As soon as you go to Profile, you can see the display name on the front. Go ahead and tap on it and you can write down your name, and you can also enter some of the emojis if you want to. Go ahead and click on Save after you're done. And there you go. This is how easy it is to change your display name in Line Messenger. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.